In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage stock on your Shopify store in a few easy steps. Keeping track of your inventory is a crucial part of running a successful online business, and with Shopify, you can do it efficiently. So, let's dive in and learn how to make sure your stock levels are precisely where they need to be. First, let's navigate to the Products section. On your Shopify admin dashboard, you'll find the left-hand panel. This is where you'll see a list of options, and you'll want to click on Products. Once you're in the Products section, your next step is to click on Inventory. This will bring up a comprehensive list of the products in your store, displaying their current stock levels and availability. It's an essential view that lets you see at a glance how much stock you have on hand and make any necessary adjustments to keep your inventory in check. Now, if you find that some products are not appearing in this inventory list, it's likely because you need to enable tracking for those items. Don't worry, enabling tracking is quite straightforward. You'll want to head back to the Products section of your Shopify dashboard. Once there, click on the specific product you wish to start tracking, and this will open up its details page, putting you in editing mode. Within the product details, look for the Inventory section. This is where you can enable inventory tracking. By enabling it, you're instructing the system to keep tabs on how much stock you have left, taking one more thing off your busy plate. In some cases, you might not initially see an option for inventory tracking, and this often happens when a product has variants. Variants could be different sizes, colors, or any other options you offer for a particular product. For products with variants, simply click on the variant in question, and you'll find the option to enable tracking there. And that's all you need to do. You've now learned how to effectively manage your stock levels, ensuring that your Shopify store runs smoothly and efficiently. Keeping on top of your inventory means you can avoid disappointing customers with out-of-stock messages and maximize your sales potential. If you stay consistent with these steps, you'll have a well-organized inventory system that saves you time and boosts your store's performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on managing stock in your Shopify store helpful. See you in the next video.